Friends and family, together I call on us as a body to be witnesses before God of the joining in marriage of Meton, John Reddy and Michelle Oliphant. Marriage is more than a contractual agreement. It is a joining of two people to be united into one. This is something that can only be accomplished on the inside. It's a matter of the spirit and soul, the fullness of which requires God to join them as one. Therefore, we gather for John and Michelle to seek God's work in their marriage, and for all of us to ask God's blessing upon their future life together.
I, Meton Ready, take you, Michelle Oliphant, to be my friend, my lover, the mother of my children, and my wife. I will be yours in times of plenty and in times of want, in times of sickness and in times of health, in times of joy and in times of sorrow, in times of failure and in times of triumph. I promise to cherish and respect you, to care and protect you, to comfort and encourage you, and to stay with you as long as we live.
I, Michelle Oliphant, take you, Meton Ready, to be my husband, my partner in life, and my one true love. I will cherish our union and love you more each day than I did the day before. I will trust you, respect you, laugh with you, cry with you, loving you faithfully through good times and bad, regardless of obstacles we may face. Together, I give you my hand, I give you my heart, and my love from this day forward and as long as I shall live.
Very good. Friends, family, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. John and Michelle Reddy.
Free your siren, yo, and your beat, yo, Mr. Raphael, right here. Where you at, DJ Damn? Cause we about to turn it up, yeah man, turn it up. You ain't